Exponential form. 2 square is equal to 2 into 2. Here we are multiplying 2 for 2 times. 2 to the 4. So 2 square is equal to 4. 2 cube. 2 cube means we want to multiply 2 for 3 times. And we can write it as 2 square into 2. We know the value of 2 square, 4. 4 into 2, that is equal to 4 to the 8. So 2 cube is equal to 8. Now we want to know 2 to the power of 4 value. 2 to the power of 4 means we want to multiply 2 for 4 times. And we can write it as 2 cube into 2. And we know the value of 2 cube is equal to 8. 8 into 2. So 8 to the 16. 2 to the power of 4 is equal to 16. And 2 to the power of 5. Here we want to multiply 2 for 5 times. And we write it as 2 to the power of 4 into 2. That is equal to, we know the value of 2 to the power of 4 is equal to 16. So 16 into 2. 16 to the 32. So 2 to the power of 5 is equal to 32. And here directly I wrote 2 to the power of 6 is equal to 2 to the power of 5 into 2. So we know the value of 2 to the power of 5 is equal to 32. So 32 into 2. So 2 to the 4, 2 3 the 6. So 2 to the power of 6 is equal to 64. And at the same time 2 to the power of 7 is equal to 128. So 2 to the power of 7 is equal to 128. Here in this exponential form we call 2 as base and 7 as exponent. Take a square or rectangle paper and make it in equal parts. Here I have take a cut up to here and opposite side up to here. We want to leave one box and fold it like this. After that we can write like this.